Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve failed opening on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve a game failed opening on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Clash of Clans. Here we'll enter to the window of first stop and you can click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear case. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.